Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Softail Slim, and this one's in vivid black. Nice front fairing, LED turn signals, everything's been blacked out. We have these nice tall bars. We also have the Kiriakin, I think is how you say it, sound bar, Bluetooths to your phone. We have the heel toe shifter, everything's blacked out. Really easy to charge your battery or hook up any other accessories. You have a little passenger seat. And then of course the Screamin' Eagle 110 engine and the Vance & Hines exhaust. So come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week, and this bike is beautiful.